it's very important for Mechelen to have this positive story, and it is because it's ending in a couple of weeks now, so we are closing the center at the end of December. And Mechelen wanted a warm story. We have to learn from them and they have to learn from us. So that was the first step. We invest a lot that the first thing that they can do, refugees, is starting learning our language from day one, actually. So every refugee in the center went to school, and in different levels. So they took a test in the first days they arrived, and they go to school. I think that's very important. I heard before that they learn the language from the beginning. Simple. For Mechelen, it was a simple thing. I know for other cities, not always that simple, but we did a great investment. We hired a lot of teachers, so 150 people went to school.